everyone, I'm Kavri Devaya and today I'm excited to talk about the Sunflame RM1 Roti Maker. This convenient kitchen appliance is designed to give you uniformly heated, oil-free rotis with ease. The Sunflame RM1 operates with a power input of 230 volts, alternating current and a power consumption of 900 watts, optimized for your daily use. Including the main Roti Maker unit, this machine is all about simplifying your cooking experience. One of its standout features is the LED indicator that glows a bright red, signaling the machine is powered on and ready to go. The cooking plates are where the magic happens. They are coated with high-quality, food-grade non-stick material. This ensures your dough does not stick and can glide smoothly across the surface for effortless roti preparation. And let's not forget about safety and durability. The Sunflame Roti Maker is designed with a heat-resistant lifting handle, making it super easy to raise the top plate without any hassle. Wrapping up its design superiority, it's the premium quality stainless steel body which provides rust-proof durability that promises to keep the appliance a long-term fixture in your kitchen. Crafting delicious, healthy rotis has never been easier, and the Sunflame RM1 Roti Maker proves just that. So, get ready to enjoy homemade chapatis with minimal effort and maximum satisfaction. Happy cooking!